my fire, my one, oh God, desire. Mm, mm, mm. And I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Caribbean Chronicles by Liesel. 3 nights in Royal St. Kitts, poolside vibes, and live music. Join me as I spend a few relaxing nights at the beautiful Royal St. Kitts Hotel, located in the heart of Frigate Bay. From lounging by not one but 2 pools to enjoying live music and soaking up the local vibes, it was a perfect mix of relaxation and comfort for me. So my favorite parts or highlights of the hotel is the fact that it had 2 gorgeous pools where you could just daytime dip and enjoy sunset vibes. It had on-site live music, so you could relax at the evening with a bar at the poolside and a stage where they performed. It had a fully equipped gym, so you could also stay active. And what I loved the most is that they actually had a laundry facility, so if you were staying longer you could wash. Another thing I'd like to highlight is the friendly service and the peaceful atmosphere. Now, being around there also gave me the ability to take a short stroll over to the Marriott Resort, also enjoy their live music at night, and get access to the beachfront, and that I'll be showing you that as well. In general, I loved the Royal St. Kitts Hotel. The room I was not too crazy about because I prefer like lighter colors in a room or an apartment, and it was dark and the furniture was a bit heavy, plus I felt like they had a lot of things inside, but the outside of it and the amenities made up for that. So definitely a place you could consider to stay at if you're visiting. So if you're planning a getaway or just daydreaming of your next vacation, I hope this vlog gives you an idea of what it's like to stay at that end of Frigate Bay. So I haven't swum in this one yet. I will swim later. Ooh, this is so gorgeous. Oh my God, look at that light. It is gorgeous. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. A restaurant, that's the living room. So it's to that way. I mean, at some point I think I will try to eat something somewhere, but for now, I've been going in town. Good morning. So I'll go find out what. Ooh, look at that sky. I'm going to go to the gym, but now let's find out if there is. Morning. I'm fine, and you? Is there a beach on the other side of the Marriott? Okay, thank you. So I'm going to show you that, and let's go. Show you that sunrise, then I go and shower. So I want to check out that beach at sunrise, and I'll be showing you that, and then I'll go to the gym. Good morning, beautiful people. I actually need to charge this baby, but the sun's so beautiful, I want to go get it on the beach. So that means even I don't really need to walk to Frigate Bay. I can catch the beach from here. Oh my God, that sun, that light is, ooh, let's go get it. So this is where I was last night. They had an amazing band singing there, but now I'm gonna find my way to the beach. Morning. They have a craft market as well.
So this is where they were singing. We had the party, and I want to go check out the glorious morning on the beachfront. Lights not so nice that way quite yet, but let's see. This is what I was showing last night. Okay, so it is oh my god. It's super impressive. But I want to go to the beach. So we're gonna save that one for later. Is this where you get to the beach from? I'm a bit confused. But I think it is. So let me put on the oh, today is the kids parade, isn't it? Scheiße, ik weet het niet. Wow. How'd you get to the beach? Let me ask the lady. I don't understand if I can, but I'm just gonna go. I'll find out later. I don't understand. This is not where I want to. Let me ask the lady. Is it that way? Yeah, it looks like it's the way to the beach, but let me ask. Morning! So I want to show you the beach on this side, and I will tell you what I want to say later, because I'm not quite sure. It's fuck that. It might be an open part of it, which I will ask later. But for now, I'm like, don't ask. No need to ask. Just go and look. And then after, you can ask questions. Alright. That's it. Okay. Oh wow. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna ask her if it's beautiful. I'm not gonna stay here. Oh wow. Okay, I don't know. It is larger, obviously, than the Frigate Bay coastline, but I don't know if if it's like, and I'll show you the beach. We're not gonna walk the length of it because I don't have time for that. But the light is gorgeous at this point. Oh my god, it's wow. It goes all the way there. Seriously. because of oh my god. really not going to walk. I'm tired. I'm going to go back in. I just wanted to show you. Oh my God, look at that. So this is good morning on the day of the children's parade. So I'm gonna head over to the gym. I'm gonna stretch. I'm gonna do some arm and abs exercise, and then I'm going to make my way to the center. If I find somebody to give me a ride, I'll take the ride. If I don't find somebody to give me a ride, I'm dressed for walking, and I'm dressed to nail it. And I'm gonna have saltfish and dumplings. That's the national dish. So I'm going to try and have it today. And I'm gonna watch the children's parade, which means charging, make sure everything is where it's supposed to be, and then yeah, let's go have a good day today, right? That's the plan. Oh, and I have to reply this lady. It's just there's so much you have to do that you don't have time to answer and reply everyone, because if you're not charging this or doing that, you're doing something else. So let's go watch the children's parade today. I feel like one of the days I have to do the, you know, the whole a tourist sightseeing blah 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 thing. So maybe tomorrow, maybe on Sunday, because I don't think there's anything happening from the carnival tomorrow, so I might do that. But for now, what's today? I don't have the date. I think it's is today 28? Wait, I left 26. So yesterday was, so today's 28, yeah. So 29, I can do what I need to do morning. Yeah. But for now, let's go back and yeah, get things done. So that's the gym. I have pretty much everything, but I still train with free weights. So I actually prefer the other one. So we're going to go to the other one. I mean, it is deep, but it's deep at a very short, like, where it's deep is like right there at the end, which, I mean, doesn't make any sense. And then here in front, it's really way too shallow. So I guess this is a one for kids or something. I don't know, but not my. My people, welcome to not paradise, but this is the pool in my hotel, the second one. The first one I didn't like. This was the one I was at yesterday. Of course I didn't take any pictures, I didn't film anything because there were people here. That's the good thing about coming out in the morning. It's all yours. There's no one in the back complaining. Anyway, so this is it. It's nicer. I didn't like the one up front. This one's about the same height throughout, so more comfortable for swimming, and I'm close to it, so I'm gonna go now to town and try and find somewhere to eat. And I'm also going to do a little bit of a search to see what else is going on. There was a party yesterday in a field, and they had like VIP blah blah blah, but there was music here. At the beginning the music was like so la la, and I met Doretta, who's from St. Kitts, but she lives in London. And we went to the Hyatt, and the band was amazing. Like, we literally danced till like 10:30. It was good. And then we came back here and danced till 11 because later they got good. So that was really nice. I mean, it was like, I think the first time I really kind of like boogied down since I've been out. I don't know why I'm not like, I've realized I don't have any problem going partying, but then we have to leave at 9 or 10. All that, let's leave at 11. No, I've already shut down. So if I'm not leaving at 9, yeah, then when it's over, it's game over. We're not doing that. We're too old for that, okay? Right.
I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Liesel81.